It is my pleasure to welcome you to Health in Mind, Improving Education Through Wellness. We are here to talk about the link between health and learning, particularly the link between health disparities and the achievement gap. Addressing this vital connection and closing this gap are key to our nation's promise of equal opportunity and our shared goal of creating a bright, healthy future for today's children.
We believe where we live, learn, work, and play impacts our health as much as what happens in the doctor's office. So this focus on schools and where we can reach 52 million kids each day to create healthier lifestyles and better manage chronic conditions is critically important to our nation's health. This generation of children could be the first to have shorter, less healthy lives than their parents.
Student health is critical to student learning. And yet, neither the integration nor the investment is there in so many places, particularly right now with all of the budget cuts, to advance that. And so what this report does is, in very layman's terms, says this is what we need to do that kind of integration. So if we don't actually have the kind of health services we need, we are basically saying to kids, we don't care that health issues will impede your learning. And why it's so important then to have the kind of services so that we reduce the visits to the ER, so that we actually help create healthy kids, so that we have attendance rising, so that kids are actually able to pay attention.
Our members work with students every single day, and they know that when they're healthy, they are absent less, and I mean, duh, they learn more. When they're not there, it's pretty hard to teach and to the student, and it's very difficult, obviously, for them to learn. And we know that creating that healthy environment is part of our responsibility as educators. NEA believes that this recommendation to the Department of Education is right on the money. And to prepare our next generation of school health leaders, we need to align school health needs with professional development standards for teachers. Professional development and training about health issues is not a luxury. It is a necessity. So if we have healthy schools, if we have healthy students with good health information and training programs, and we have caring adults, we truly can make a difference. Thank you.
We will take the HHS recommendations very seriously and want to work with you to not just receive the recommendations, but actually implement them and put them in place. If the school is a healthy place with nutritious food, with opportunities to exercise, with opportunities to learn about the connection between health and their brains, and access to care, we have taken a huge step toward making sure our children are actually ready to succeed and able to reach their full potential.
No one's going to push harder for higher graduation rates and lower dropout rates and more students graduating ready for college than I am. But please know that I know the only way we get there is if our students' physical and emotional and social needs are being met. This work is extraordinarily important. Please hold us and hold me accountable for being a good partner and figuring out where we have students who aren't getting the resources they need. We can't use tough economic times as an excuse. Our children have one chance to get a good education. And again, with creativity, with innovative partnerships, we're thinking differently about how we deliver content and provide opportunities and resources. I think we can fundamentally break through. So thanks for all of your hard work. Thanks for your leadership, Rochelle. Thanks for bringing us together. Thanks for having me this morning.
When you have strong, visionary, committed leadership at all levels, at the grassroots, at the state, and at the national, you can achieve amazing results. It is time to transcend those things that divide us and become united around issues and causes that allow us all to take heart and to take the moral high ground on behalf of our children. And that's what today represents. So I applaud all of you, and I thank you for being here.